What's up, family? We're going to do things a little different today. So we have a 2006 Mercury Mariner, or something. It's like a Ford Edge. No, excuse me, not a Ford Edge. It's like a Ford Escape. So anyway, this is 2006. It has, let me get my camera together. Hold on. Y'all bear with me. All right, here we go. Now it has 201,000 miles on the clock, right? So we're gonna start with the test drive this time. I just started it up. Get this hat off. It got me hot. You niggas got me hot. We're gonna start with our test drive. Nice and cold. It's hot in here. The heat definitely works in this thing, man. I'm gonna tell you what else works in this thing. The damn heated seats will have your behind on fire. Like on them cold days, it was cold. Well, it was Georgia cold, like 34 degrees the other day. I'm out here cleaning, got the heated seat on. Man, I tell you, had my behind on fire. Okay, so this little thing right here, this is not standard, but this is a Bluetooth FM modular, and it's gonna come with the car. I decided. I thought about keeping it, but it's gonna go ahead and come with the car. It's gonna come with the car. It's gonna come with the car because the display on this car, like a lot of Fords, half-ass works. Like it just half-ass works. Like, I want to sell it to you, but I'm not gonna replace the radio. But the radio works. It works. It's on. You just gotta tap it about 14 times. See, there you go, and then it'll come on. Right? So let me prove myself right. Where the hell is the damn, what's the name, man? Oh, here we go. The van. Okay, let's change the station. Y'all hear the static. We good, right? Oh, there go the police. Gotta love the police. Shout out to the police, the sheriff at that. The real heroes. So anyway, we're in the 2006 Mercury. Well, what did we get done, Chris? Well, we have gotten, this one has a brand new rack and pinion up front. It has new brakes all around. It has power steering, fluid flush, oil change, spark plugs have been done. Still has current emissions. It's been washed and vacuumed. Like I said, it has the Bluetooth FM module, and hopefully I can get to that later. This thing has, oh, come on camera. There you go. This thing has heated mirrors. I've had the sunroof replaced. Yeah, we've done a lot on this thing, man. A lot. But this is the test drive, so when I get back to the when I get to where I shoot the video at, I'll show you the sunroof. But then, yeah, I forgot. This is the test drive. Look, here we go. We test drive. We have 40. 45. It shifts great. This is an awesome little car, man. It drives great. I drove about 100 miles, ran some errands in it. Like I said, I got fresh oil change, brakes, brand new rack and pinion. For those of you who don't know what rack and pinion is, it deals with your steering. Had the sunroof replaced. Like the entire sunroof was replaced. What else we get done on this thing? It's just like, the safety checks and the things like that. So it's pretty good to go. What I am impressed with is the heated seats on this thing. I missed my doggone turn. But the heated seats on this thing. The heated seats on this thing is crazy. Crazy. Like they look, you're not gonna have a cold behind in this thing. You ain't gonna have no cold behind in this Mercury. Mercury Mariner, that's what it's called. It's a Mariner. A Mariner, not an Edge, not an Escape. It's a Mercury Mariner. Mercury Mariner. It drives pretty doggone good, man. So we're just gonna head over here to the office, the parking lot. We're gonna do our walk around. Let you guys see some of the stuff. The usual. You'll see the seats. You'll see, the radio. I might be able to even connect my phone to the Bluetooth on the FM module, so you can see how that works. Because that's gonna come with it. That's gonna come with it because the display half-ass work. That's Ford. That's Ford for you right there. Or excuse me, that's Mercury for you right there. This is the second Mercury I've had when it's done that. The other one was a Mercury, what's the thing that's like a Ford Fusion? So Mercury Milan, that's what it was. It's Mercury Milan I sold to a young lady. Same dang old thing. Damn, that display didn't work. But this one's working currently. After you gotta tap it about 14 times. So I'm gonna lead on over here. This is our test drive. As you see, no check engine lights on, no none of that. No rattle, no battle, no thunder, clatter. Boom, boom, boom. Don't worry, call the car X-Men. None of that. But feel free to bring your mechanic or whoever else you want to bring to have look over the vehicle, you know what I'm saying? Not opposed to it. Not opposed to it at all. So, get this thing parked, and then get out, hop out. Get myself squared away. So here we go on the mileage. See, it's not overheating. Let's see how far I've driven it. I have driven it 99.5 miles with no issue, with the average of 20.2 miles per gallon. And compared to the vehicles that I drive, that is freaking awesome. So this is pretty good. So we'll be back doing a walk around right after this. All right, guys, here we go. We have a 2006 Mercury Mariner with a V6. It has approximately 201,000 miles. It's a front wheel drive. We have replaced the rack and pinion, done an oil change, replaced the sunroof, cleaned it up, battery, a tune-up. Has pretty good tires on it. Did the brakes. Power steering flush. It does have leather wrap seats with cloth in the middle. They are heated seats. It's front wheel drive. It has current emissions. It's in red. Tan interior. This is a pretty good car, man. It's a pretty good car. Nice little starter car or daily driver. Get you around town. Doesn't burn too much fuel. Put your kids in there. I had to put my kids in there. Give you guys a look at the engine. So this is the V6. I believe this is the 3.0. Front wheel drive. Crazy sounds and crazy noises. Get to the interior. So this is leather on the outside, and then cloth in the middle. I guess that helps when hot summer days. It definitely helps not to burn you behind. Everything works. It's the back seat. It is equipped with a sunroof. Sunroof is just replaced. Plenty of storage in the back for a little small crossover S.U.V. Plate back here, rather. There we go. So, got the privacy shade that lets out. Got some things back there that you don't need everybody to know about. Just pull your little privacy shade and bam, there you go. Close the hatch. No one needs to know what you got. The Mercury Mariner is Premier. So this one is a V6 Premier. Pretty much has everything except all-wheel drive. So it is a front-wheel drive vehicle, which is fine here in Georgia because if it snows, they're shutting it down anyway. Got decent tires on there. They can always be replaced. Back seat's in good shape. This is the front. A little bit of wear here. On top, a little bit of wear. It's not cracked up or anything, but a little fading, I should say. This is the driver's seat. Does have some wear on it. Key in for you guys right here. This is the FM. It's being played off of that FM module through my other phone. Yeah, I don't own the rights to none of that music, so let me cut that off. No check engine lights on, no nothing. I know. Chris, let's see under the car. We will. Let me hit this sunroof on y'all real quick, dog. Let me pan up to the sunroof. Sunroof open. I don't know what just happened, but now the sunroof open. Sunroof closed. Go ahead and close that thing. Sunroof is closed. Got the tilt. Bring the tilt back down. There we go. Rearview mirror. It's a pretty good car, man. It has it's your fog lights right here along with your mirrors. The dimmer. Turn these lights on. Turn them lights on. All the headlights working? No, Chris. Let's see it. Let's see it. Is it leaking? Let's see if it's leaking. It is not leaking. No leaks. No leaks. Walk around for you guys one more time. There we go. McMav Autos. McMav Autos on Instagram. McMav Autos on Facebook. And of course, McMav Autos here on YouTube. This is a 2006 Mercury Mariner Premier Edition. With approximately 201,000 miles. It is ready to go. Ready to go. You can drive this thing anywhere. As long as you got gas. And you get about 20, 21 miles per gallon. So you can drive this thing anywhere you like. Put your kids in it. Put you in it. Put your dog in there. You're good to go. So once again, that's McMav Autos. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video. Let me know how you did. Hey, let me know how you think about what you think about the car. Let me know what you think about the video. Let me know what you think about me. Hey, you might not like me, but like the damn video. All right, peace.